In this module, we are going to learn about few text functions like upper, lower, and proper. Now, the function of these three functions are that they are supposed to convert a string from one case to another. Now, for example, if you look at the upper, it's a function which takes text as an argument, which is a string, and converts it to uppercase. Similarly, lower will take a string and convert into a lowercase. Proper will take a string and convert that into a proper case. Now, if you look in this, I have created few texts. The first one is all in uppercase. So if you look at the letters of each of them, they are all in uppercase. Similarly, the other hello world, the letters are all, or the alphabets are all in lowercase. This one is in proper case, meaning for each word, the first letter is in caps, rest of them is in lowercase. So the first letter is in uppercase. And here we have a mixed case where there are few letters in upper, few letters in lower, and so on. So if I want to convert them into a particular case, then how should I go about? Now, if I take this text and I want to convert that into a lower case, because it's already in uppercase, so I will convert that into lower and I will convert that into proper case and show it to you. So let's see. Now, how this upper lower case and what is the function? So the function is lower. So where do I get that function? You'll go to your formula and insert. Now, there are most recently text also available here, but we'll go to this insert function and there you will look for text. And the text you will look for lower. So you'll select any one of them and press L on your keyboard. And then you will get to all the functions which starts with L. And here you'll get lower. So you'll select this lower and say OK. This function palette opens, which asks you about the argument. That means you want to convert something to lowercase. So what is it? So it is not, I won't type it because that string is available in this cell. So I'll just select this cell and I'll take the address of the cell. And I'll say, okay, it was hello world. And after the function lower is applied, it will become hello world. So I'll say, fine, that's what I want. And I say, okay. And of course, it becomes hello world as predicted. Similarly, if I go and do it proper case, then of course, I'll select this insert function, go here, select P from my keyboard, and jump to that, and there is P here, and say OK. I'll select the text, which I want to make proper, and say OK. So it shows me the case in proper. So it shows me the result. So immediately I can see the result and understand whether my formula is correct or not, and my function is correct or not, and say OK. And this becomes hello world. Now similarly, if you look at this, I want to convert this into upper and proper because it's already in lower. So let's select this and say insert. I can also do what? I can just directly type it from here. I can say is equal to, and then I can say upper. Tab, press my tab in my keyboard, and it will be copied onto my cell, and then select the text and say D13 and enter. Similarly, I can go to this cell and equal to proper, and proper will come. I'll select this using mouse, or I can use my down arrow, select it, press tab and select this. It will show me proper. As far as this hello world is concerned, it is already in proper case, so I need to convert that into upper and lower. So I can either use this function, or I can go and say is equal to upper, select this, tab, select the cell D14 and close the parenthesis and say enter. Lowercase, again I'll say is equal to lower, tab, select this cell and I'll close the parenthesis. Now this one is a mixed case. So I have the opportunity of using all the three together. Why? Because I want to convert that into an uppercase, lower, and proper case. So let's see. If I say is equal to and select the cell, sorry, not equal to, I have to say upper, of course, upper tab, select this and close the parenthesis and say enter. So it shows me in the uppercase. Similarly, I will use lower, select this and close the parenthesis, hello world, and last, I'll select this and say proper. So I'll say proper, select this, and then click on the cell and then close the parentheses and say enter. So this way, this mixed case has now been converted into uppercase, lowercase, and proper case. So you can have any string converted into a particular case using the following functions.